So hey guys, first of all, welcome to my channel. So this is my new journey, and in this journey, lots of viewers and my followers have been asking me on which app or software do you use to edit photos like this. Let me tell you guys, I edit all of my photos on Photoshop. But don't worry, I will help you out on how to edit these photos on mobile apps. So before beginning, let me tell you guys which app you should prefer on mobile for free editing. So as you can see now on my screen, these are the apps that you must have in order to get good edits on mobile phone. I will explain you why you should use this app. First is Lightroom. Color grading is most important part to make your photo stand out. This is by far the best app in order to color grading your photos. And yes, it's also free. Some of the functions are paid, but the free options are more than enough to get your photo a good color grading. Second is Picsart. As Lightroom doesn't support text editing, you will need to come to Picsart to edit your final image. One of the best part of Picsart is layers editing. The third app is Phonto. Now, why Phonto? It's because there are not lots of font options in Picsart free version. So Phonto is a great app as it already has lots of font option inside, plus you can download your own fonts from internet and install in it. And now the fourth one is background remover. You will need background remover for some of your photos and also text that you get from Phonto. I will make a detailed tutorial on each and every application separately and will create a playlist for journaling edits. So you can easily understand on how to use and why to use each apps. And last but not the least, everyone's favorite, Snapseed. Remember, Snapseed is a great free app to edit your photos, but it lacks lots of features. Once you start editing and want to improve your editing styles of image, then you will notice Snapseed lacks lots of features, and even there are not lots of options in Snapseed apps. If you are in a hurry and want to edit quickly, then Snapseed is the best app to edit your photos. So that's it for today guys, and before going on to any detailed tutorials of any of the apps, I just wanted to make sure that you should know which app is best for free editing on mobile phone. So just a short information video for today, and I will slowly cover each and every app in detail in future videos. So stay tuned guys and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye guys and love you guys.